Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a car in GTA V. First, you need to understand the various ways vehicles are stored and managed within the game world. We'll cover everything from personal garages to the impound lot, ensuring you always know where your ride is. Whether you've just started playing or are a seasoned veteran, these tips will help you keep your favorite vehicles safe and accessible. Let's dive into the details of vehicle management. When you acquire a new vehicle, drive it into any of your owned garages to save it. Each garage has a specific capacity, so manage your collection wisely. If your car is impounded, head to the LSPD impound lot, marked by a white car icon on your map. You'll pay a small fee, usually around $250, to get it back. For convenience, simply call your mechanic from your phone to have a stored vehicle delivered right to you. If your personal vehicle is destroyed, don't panic. Just pull out your in-game phone and call Moore's Mutual Insurance. They will replace your vehicle for a small deductible, which varies but is typically around $1,000. Remember, only insured vehicles can be replaced this way. If a vehicle is stolen and not stored in a garage, it's usually gone for good, so always prioritize saving your favorite rides. To truly make a vehicle your own, visit Los Santos Customs. Here you can upgrade performance, change paint jobs, and add armor. Always purchase a tracker and full coverage insurance for any vehicle you want to keep long-term. It's a small investment that saves a lot of hassle. These features ensure your vehicle is always recoverable and personalized. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.